Ready to turn your passion for email marketing into passive income? Let's unlock the Mailerlite affiliate program together. First, head over to the Mailerlite website. Look for a link that says something like partners, affiliates, or referrals. This is usually found in the footer of the website, so scroll all the way down. Once you're on the affiliate program page, take a moment to understand their commission structure and what benefits you'll receive as an affiliate. Mailerlite typically offers a percentage of sales for every customer you refer, and sometimes even a recurring commission. Now, let's get to the application. You'll need to fill out an application form. Be prepared to provide your basic contact information, including your name, email address, and your website or social media profile where you'll be promoting Mailerlite. Crucially, Mailerlite will want to know how you plan to promote their service. Be specific and honest. Mention your existing audience, your content strategy, and how you'll create valuable content that highlights Mailerlite's features and benefits to your followers. Mailerlite has some basic eligibility criteria. They generally look for affiliates with an established online presence, whether that's a blog, a website with regular traffic, or active social media channels. They also value quality content and ethical promotion. To increase your chances of acceptance, ensure your website or platform is professional, provides valuable content to your audience, and doesn't promote any illegal or spammy activities. Having a clear niche and demonstrating how you'll authentically recommend Mailerlite is key. Once you've submitted your application, Mailerlite will review it. This usually takes a few business days. If approved, you'll receive an email with your unique affiliate link and instructions on how to get started. Congratulations, you're now a Mailerlite affiliate. Start sharing your unique link in your content, and watch those commissions roll in.